In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Copilot in dark mode. If you spend a lot of time chatting with Copilot, switching to a darker theme can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially in low light. It also gives the page a clean, focused look. Here's exactly how to do it step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Microsoft Copilot, the AI companion from Microsoft. You can find it by searching for Microsoft Copilot, then opening the official site. Once the page loads, give it a second to finish initializing so all menu options appear. If you're signed in with a Microsoft account, you'll see your profile details. If not, that's fine. This appearance change applies to your current session in this browser. Next, look to the top right corner of the Copilot page and click your profile. This is typically your profile picture or a circle with your initials. On smaller screens, it may appear as an icon or a compact avatar. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your window or zooming out slightly so the header can display all icons. In the profile menu that opens, find and click Theme. This is where Copilot groups its appearance options so you can quickly switch between different looks without digging through deeper settings. Selecting Theme will reveal a few choices. Now click Night. As soon as you choose Night, the interface will switch to a dark palette. The background of the chat, the sidebar, and most UI elements will flip to darker tones while the text remains clear and readable. This reduces glare, helps minimize eye strain, and can be more comfortable for evening use. The change is instant, so you can keep working without interruption. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a quick refresh to apply the new styling across the entire interface. If you regularly use Copilot on multiple browsers or devices, you may want to set the theme on each one to keep your experience consistent. And if you ever prefer your theme to follow your device's light or dark setting automatically, you'll usually see a system option in the same theme menu. But for now, night ensures you get the dark look every time. That's all there is to it. You've turned on dark mode in Microsoft Copilot with just a few clicks. Enjoy the calmer, more comfortable workspace, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.